3, ate, you start. 3, 2, 1, go.
Kamusta? Kamusta? Kamusta ka na? Mabuti naman. Kamusta ka na? What do I say?
Ganon pa rin.
Ganon pa rin.
Gaya
Gaya
ng dati.
ng dati.
Okay, let's try it again. So start with you, ate. 3, 2, 1, go.
Kamusta? Kamusta? Kamusta ka na? Mabuti naman. Kamusta ka na? Gayon pa rin.
Okay, let's change it. You don't have to say that because what does ganon pa rin gaya ng dati means? It's like it's the same like before. Okay, that's what it means. So you just say ate mabuti din. That means I'm good also. Okay, say
Mabuti din.
mabuti din. So you won't forget din, right? Your tito din. So mabuti din. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, ate.
Kamusta? Kamusta? Kamusta ka na? Mabuti naman. Kamusta ka na? Mabuti din.
Okay, that's good. So that's the start. Like whenever like you meet somebody that knows how to speak Tagalog, you can converse like that. Okay? But again, understand what it means. It's not just about saying it, okay? So let's recap. What does kamusta mean?
Hi! Hello.
Huh?
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Okay, it can mean hello,
How
hi,
are you?
or how are you. Okay, but it depends on how you say it or where you started in the conversation, right? Like when you say kamusta, what does kamusta ka na means when you say ka na?
How are you?
How are you? Okay, what does mabuti mean?
I'm good. Fine.
Mabuti means good.
Fine.
Okay. When you say naman is I'm good, fine, or I think it means I'm okay, you know, right? But you forgot the word salamat. So
And the cow.
at the ending, what the salamat means? Salamat.
Goodbye.
No,
Sorry.
ate, what the salamat means?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Okay, it's like saying like, how are you? I'm good, thanks. Right? So, mabuti naman, salamat. Okay? Okay? Last one. Let's try it one last time. 3, 2, 1, ate.
Kamusta? Kamusta? Kamusta ka na? Mabuti naman. Kamusta ka na? Mabuti din. Salamat. Salamat.
Okay, good job, girls. That's our day 1 of learning Tagalog.
Okay. Yay. Okay. Bye.